Hi Pat, we are sitting here to wish you a very happy birthday, 24th of June 2020, your 70th. May you be as happy as you've always been for the rest of your life, which should be very, very long. All the best and cheers.
બર્થડે પર યાર અમારી પાર્ટી બાકી છે. પાસ્ટમાં તો તે બહુ ગુલાટો મારી છે બરોડામાં, પણ હવે નથી મારતો એટલે એની ખુશી છે. આમ તો તું ડાયો જ છે, પણ જરા તમે ફિરકી લેવાની ને બર્થડેમાં. ચલ યુ હેવ એ ગુડ ટાઈમ. પણ નાવ આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ સિંગ ફોર યુ. કયું ગાઉં? बधाई हो बधाई जन्मदिन की तुमको, बधाई हो बधाई जन्मदिन की तुमको. जन्मदिन तुम्हारा मिलेंगे लड्डू हमको, जन्मदिन तुम्हारा मिलेंगे लड्डू हमको. बधाई हो बधाई जन्मदिन की तुमको.
Bye.
Hi Pat, here's wishing you a very happy 70th, and being the good cricketer that we know you are, we expect you to carry on to a century. For all those who don't know us, I'm Girish and this is my wife Wilma. We are both from Mumbai, India, and we know Pat for the last almost 47 years.
Hi Pat, happy birthday, all the very best. I know Pat even before I knew my husband. I used to walk home from work and Pat would come by and give me a ride on his motorbike. And subsequently, a couple of years later, I got a job in the same company that he was working for. That's where I met my husband.
So what she is saying is she's one up on me as always. She knows Pat longer than I know Pat. Okay, but anyway, all said and done, we've had the greatest of relationships, and Pat is, shall we say, a bundle of energy. He is always jumping into things without thinking too much, without any fear, and that's how he gets into all those close shaves that he's had in life. But he's a fighter to the core, and he has this never say die spirit. And I mean that literally, never say die spirit. And I'm convinced that God there loves us more than He loves him, and that is why He's kept him here on earth, so that He can give us company for the rest of our lives. That's the secret of His good luck, survival, whatever you may call it. But he is a fantastic guy, lovely friend to have, and he has a wife to match. And there's one incident, there's something that I need to tell you, which probably even Rashmi doesn't know, and I'm sure his children don't know, his daredevilry. You know, in 75, we had all gone on a trip to Goa from our company. We were about 8-10 of us who went to Goa. And of course, at that age, Goa was a great attraction because there were all these hippies there. And we had heard stories about topless bathing and all of that, so we went there. And yes, there were these foreigner girls who were swimming topless into the sea. And Pat got so carried away with this that he went skinny dipping into the sea. So he actually took off his trunks and walked into the sea, did some swimming, and came back all in his birthday clothes. And then he comes down and lies on the sand and just puts his trunks over himself. And here's a photograph. I'll show you this photograph. Can you see it? Very well. You can see he's not wearing those trunks. He just has it covering the vital parts. So that is Pat for you. And this is a big secret which is coming out on his 70th. So good luck, Pat. All the best and wish you a long life.
All the best, Pat, and I hope we have many more holidays together once everything settles down. Best of luck, Pat.
Best of luck, Rashmi, too. All the best.
Hey Pat. Pat, my good friend, how are you? I believe your birthday is drawing near, 70th birthday, and I'm thrilled that you are in good health and everything is tickety-boo. So have a great birthday, and I wish you and Rashmi many happy years of married life. But if I may, let me take my thoughts back to our college days. At the engineering college in Baroda, we were together, played good cricket, and after graduation, you joining us all ran in Bombay, where I was already working. We spent many happy years in Ingersoll Rand together, again played good cricket, and it was real fun. I must admit, you were a much better player than me, a natural cricketer. I was maybe okay, but not as good.
Hi Parasar, many happy returns of the day on your 70th birthday. Your never say die attitude and resilient nature have seen through you all these years. Keep on going, my friend. You need to complete a century as a good cricketer. Good wishes from Usha and Pramod.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Parashar. Happy birthday to you. Happy 70th birthday, Parashar. Okay, the day on your 70th birthday, we wanted to say a few words about you. And the first thing that comes to my mind is that you have been a very tough and great fighter all your life. You have come through some situations which are very serious. Sometimes it was a question of life and death, but you have fought through them and came out gracefully and successfully. And we are really proud of you, and due to that, we are also thankful to the Almighty God for His grace on you. The few numerous things that comes to my mind when I think of you is that when we visited Mumbai in early 1980s, you would take us in your car through the streets of Mumbai, and if somebody cut you through or came in your way, you would shout from your window, "Abhe oi gade, dikhta nahi hai kya? Andha hai kya?" So that was really funny for me to witness. The other funny thing that I think about you is that when you were working for Ingersoll Rand, you would come home once or twice in a week. You would come home late, and when we would ask you what happened, why are you late, and you would say, I took the train from Churchgate to come to Andheri, but on the way I fell asleep, and I only woke up at the final destination when the train stopped, and then I had to take another train and to come back to Andheri. So that was something funny which we remember about you. So have a wonderful day. Happy
and
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bye.
Rasa Dada, it's Ria and Lavina. We're gonna sing you happy birthday. Here it goes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rasa Dada. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Pastor.
Birthday, we love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pidala.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pidala.
Hi,
Parashar.
Happy 70th birthday. Hello, Parashar. Happy 70th birthday and many, many, many more to come. So we can all enjoy together, have a good time together. And we always love having you with us. And as we are in the same town, we love seeing you always. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. And enjoy your year, whole year. And everything, all the happiness to you.
Hey Mama, happy birthday to you. Have a wonderful day. Now you are joining my club, seniors club, okay? So have good time and enjoy your golden years now.
Happy birthday, Parashar Mama. So glad we got this year to spend together and looking forward to the new year with you. Have a great day, have a great birthday, and we wish you all the best. Lots of love. Bye.
Happy 70th birthday, Parashar Mama. We love you so much. Have a wonderful day.
That guy Parashar, he's okay. He's tolerable. But we love him. Happy 70th birthday. We love you so much, and we hope that you have a fun-filled day with lots of love, laughter, and joy.
Reina and Krisha love you too. Mwah. Bye.
Bye.
Wish you happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Parashar Dada. Happy birthday to you. Ooh.
Hey Parashar Mama, happy 70th birthday. We're going to have to celebrate when we see you and wish you many more.
Happy
birthday.
Hi Parashar Bhai, Gurudev Dutt. You have always stood like a shelter in a storm. Thank you for your strength and support. I wish you a very happy 70th birthday. May Babji always shower his blessings on you. Take care.
Hey Masa, I think turning 70 means that we should expect more of your excellent jokes. Anyway, wishing you a very, very happy 70th birthday. And I look forward to a lot more laughs and many more years of wisdom from you. Take care.
Hi Masa, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great and a fun-filled year ahead. I'm grateful that I have a Masa so supportive and so inspiring like you. So keep spreading the positivity and fun like always. And looking forward to spending great times in the coming years with you. Take care.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ પરાશરભાઈ, તમને ખૂબ ખૂબ આશીર્વાદ, અભિનંદન સાથે આશીર્વાદ આપો. તમારી વર્ષગાંઠ 70મી સરસ સરસ નીવડે અને તમને ખૂબ ખૂબ સુખ શાંતિ ઠાકોરજી આપે અને એકદમ તંદુરસ્ત લાંબુ જીવન સરસ આપે ને બધાની સાથે આવા પ્રેમ ભાવથી રહીએ છીએ એવા જ રહીએ અને એવા જ રહો અને બધાને શાંતિ આપો અને સૌ તમને પણ શાંતિ આપે અને આપણે જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ બેટા.
Happy 70th birthday, Parashar. Happy, healthy and prosperous long, long life.
Happy birthday to Parashar. Many more to come.
From one old-fashioned gardener to one seasoned master gardener, Parashar. I'd like to show you my garden in the background here, and thank you for all your gardening tips and suggestions, and we've enjoyed your company over the years.
Parashar Bhai, wish you a very happy 70th birthday, and may God give you many more healthy and happy years to come by.
અને આ 70મી જન્મદિને આશા અને મારા તરફથી ઘણી ઘણી શુભેચ્છાઓ અને અભિનંદન.
Happy birthday, Dada.
Happy 70th, Parasha Mama.
Happy 70th birthday, Parashar Mama. Hope you have a great day.
Happy 70th birthday, Dada. I want to see you tomorrow.
पराशर भाई.
साले साहब पालेकर, एक छोटी सी बात, 70 के 70 શું ફેર પડે છે? આવા ને આવા જ રહેજો. અભિનંદન અને સેન્ચુરીની રાહ જોઈએ છે. હા,
Anyway, 70 is just a number. It's a big number, but we wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy 70th birthday, Parasa Kumar.
હેપી બર્થડે બડી.
Happy birthday to Parashar Kumar. Thank you.
Hi Parashar, how are you? Man, you are reaching the milestone now. So we are going to be right behind you, maybe few years late. But happy birthday, enjoy everything you can get out of life, and I'm drinking margarita for you.
Happy birthday, Parashar Masa. Enjoy the day. Congratulations.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Parashar Masa. Looking forward to many more and good health.
Parashar bhai, happy 70th. You're a hardworking man, very positive, and always smiling. I'm so proud to know you. I'm glad you're married to Rashmi Ben, my beloved sister. Happy birthday. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Keep smiling.
Hello,
Happy
Pat.
birthday,
Happy
Parashar
birthday
bhai.
to you. Happy 70th
70th
birthday.
birthday.
And wishing
And-
you good luck and many more.
More. અને પછી આપણે શું કહેવાનું? बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हा हा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हा हा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू पराशर भाई, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
तो पैट भाई
And many more.
to the pet भाई
Yes.
भाई पराशर भाई नहीं pet भाई. Okay, and you have a great day
And great
Enjoy.
year ahead. Have a wonderful life together.
हे परिया, तू अभी 70 साल का बूढ़ा हो गया, लेकिन तेरा दिल जवान है। अभी 30 साल ज़्यादा जवान रहेगा। तो 70 साल पे जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आज तुमको बहुत सरप्राइज मिलने वाला है फैमिली की ओर से। सो खुशियाँ मनाओ।
Parashar bhai, wishing you very happy, healthy 70th birthday. Okay.
Hello Parashar Bhai, we wish you a happy 70th birthday. Welcome to join our company. Wish you all the best with good health, happiness and lot of wealth. Please be careful, take care, do not keep on jumping like you used to. Slow down.
Hi Parashar, many happy returns of the day. I hope you enjoy your day and rest of your life. Don't work too hard, you did already so many years. So now it's time to have fun and enjoyment. Take care and we'll talk to you soon.
Have fun, thank you.
Hello, dear Parashar.
Hello, Parashar bhai.
A happy big birthday on your 70th birthday. It takes us back to the memory. We've been friends for 35 years now.
Happy birthday, Parashar bhai.
We had a good time in Hawaii, Yellowstone, and in Vietnam. And we had a good time when we came to your house in Houston.
You are far, but you are close in our heart. We miss you. Really come back. If we are here, we could have celebrated your birthday together. Rain check.
You being, having so many time up and down, but you are a tough cookie and God has blessed you very well. We are very happy for your, living and passing this 70th birthday. We wish you the best of all the years to come with the happy and healthy years and long life.
Parashar bhai, happy birthday. Many returns of the day your birthday. And I hope you will enjoy this video. And we'll celebrate one day when you come here and join us.
All right, you take care. Okay, bye.
Good evening, Parashar bhai. Greetings from LA. This is your old buddy, Mukesh, from your old neighborhood. Thinking about you. You have turned 70, the youngest time of the year, of the life. And you being you, I could only say that, you will always remain young. Because તમારા પરાક્રમ અમે આજ પણ સાંભળીને અને યાદ કરીને હસીએ છીએ અને એનો આનંદ લઈએ છીએ. Me and Mayuri, we both wish you really happy birthday.
Very happy birthday.
Hope all your dreams may come true and we would like to see you, and we invite you, please come over and spend some time with us.
Yes.
Thank you.
We are waiting for that.
Congratulations Parashar Bhai. Happy 70th birthday.
Special day, special person, special celebration. May all your dreams and desires come true in this coming year. May God bless you with lots of happiness, health and wealth.
Happy 70th birthday, Uncle.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Hope you had a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Parashar Bhai.
Happy birthday. Thanks for being such a great neighbor. We love your gardening skills and you've always been so nice and kind to us. We appreciate you.
Happy birthday, Parashar Bhai.
Happy birthday.
Jai Shri Krishna, Parashar Bhai. Wish you all the best on your 70th birthday and many more to come. God bless. Jai Shri Krishna.
Happy birthday, Parashar Uncle.
Parashar Bhai.
Congrats on making it to your 70th year. It's a big accomplishment.
And wishing you many more years of joy and good health.
Parashar Bhai, wishing you the best and lots of blessings and many more to come.
Happy 70th birthday, Dad! Even though we can't be there in person, unfortunately, just know that we're with you in spirit and we will be together to celebrate soon.
We love you. Happy birthday.
Mowgli says happy birthday too. Bye.
Bye.
Arewa, 70! Happy birthday, Daddy. Wish you so much love and joy and happiness today. We can't wait to celebrate with you. We're so grateful to call you Dad. Thank you so much for all the life lessons and all the support and courage you've given us over the years. We miss you and we wish you all the best. Happy 70th birthday. Mwah.
Gurudev Dutt, Parashar, happy 70th birthday. Wishing you great joy, love and happiness. Love you dearly. Enjoy your day with family and friends on Zoom.